How to build a wedding website. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how you can build your own wedding website. Wedding websites can serve as a great way for you to tell about your love story, to show your guests what the wedding is going to look like, to provide a mood board, to also set up RSVP sections, and to just build a story around your wedding. To get started, we're going to be using Wix, which is a simple, free to use website builder. The best part about using Wix to create your wedding website is that you don't have to pay for anything. You can use all the free tools on Wix to build your site without having to purchase a domain or hosting. So simply head on over to wix.com and then click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you can move towards the sign up process on Wix. For your sign up, it's a really simple process and you can just add your email address and choose a suitable password. I already have an account on Wix, so I'm just logging into that account. And then from there, we're going to start building our new site. We're going to click on Create New Site to start building our new site. And Wix now has AI, and you can set up your website with AI. I am not going to do AI chat setup because I just find the simple template-based setup to be easier. So we're going to let Wix create our website dashboard, and then from there, we're going to start building our website. So firstly, we are going to name our website. Let's say it's going to be Lily and Dave. And then I'll just click on continue. We are going to set a goal. I'm going to skip the goal part. Now, there is one thing you need to note about setting up different applications. If you are creating a website where you want people to be able to set whether or not they're coming, so if you want to build an RSVP section, you can include the events application. If you just want to build a website to talk about your love story or to just, provide a mood board, then you can skip this particular application. Then click on continue and then continue to your Wix dashboard. Once you've done that, click on design site on the top right and then you can get started. Now, you have two options. You can generate your site design with AI or you can customize a template. This just really depends on your personal preference on how you want to set up your website. So I am going to generate a design with AI and we are going to let the AI detect what we're trying to build and how it can build it for us. So you guys will see it's going to start building your design on the left. Once it has a basic draft, it's going to ask you a couple of questions and then the AI will go on ahead and build a structure for you. Your theme will feature modern fonts and underrated. The layout will be one big title and overlapping elements in a complex and advanced design. So you guys can see the AI is currently working towards building our site design. I'm going to wait for this to load up a basic draft of what it's trying to build. Okay, so this is what it has built. It looks all right. I think I am going to continue with this design. I'm going to customize it a lot, but we're going to click on continue with this design and I'm going to click on continue to editor to move towards the website editor on Wix. Now the website editor on Wix is a simple drag and drop editor, so you're not going to have to put in too much effort. It's really something that is pretty intuitive. So on the top left, I'm going to remove this welcome section. So we're going to change this to our love story. And then on the top, I'm going to change this. This is our Hamburg menu, which I'm going to delete, and I'm going to delete the Explore Our Services page. I'm going to take the font on the right, and then I'm going to increase the font size for Lily and Dave like this. And then I'm going to readjust the size of this and then place our love story over here. Then I'm going to remove this. And then below that, we have a discover more section. And after that, we have event details. Now from here, I'm going to change this to our love story. And now from here, I am going to change it. I'm going to delete the image and then I can click on the plus icon on the top left, click on image, click on upload image, and we can upload our own images. Obviously, for your own wedding website, you're uploading your own images. I As an example, I'm just going to use a free image from Wix. So I'm just going to search for a couple. And we are going to use this image over here. I think it looks pretty cute and it does match with the overall aesthetic. Now from here, we have this strip layout on top, which I don't need. So I'm going to delete that completely like so. And then we have this little line, which I'm going to delete. And then I'm just repositioning everything so it looks a bit more cohesive because I want all the elements to visually look stunning. Now we're going to go into add elements, go into text, and we're going to add level 3 text. And I'm just going to click on edit text. I think level 6 looks better. So I'm just going to type in the love story. So the journey from strangers to lovers started in 2020, where we met in a cafe. We saw each other across, the hall, whatever you want to write. It's your wedding website. So, whatever is your romantic love story, just add that over here. Now, by default, the AI template added services, which are not required. So, I'm just deleting that page. Then I'm going to click on add elements. And then from here, I am first going to add a simple gallery if you want. You can add a simple gallery, but I'm going to first click on add section. Once I have added a blank section over here, I can add our event info. You will see on the left, we have our Wix app market as well as a business manager on Wix. So you guys can see below that you have your basic Wix events and tickets, and you're going to click on create event. Once you click on create event, you can create the event for your wedding. So this is just an RSVP event, which is going to be wedding day. And you can add a short teaser, you can add an event image, you can add the category of event, what type of event is it. This is definitely going to be a single event. Then you're going to add the date of your event and date as well as the start time. So let's say we are having a evening wedding starting at around, let's say our wedding starts at 6 p.m. and it's going to go till 11 p.m. And once we've done that, we can add our time zone, we can display the date and time. You can add a physical location, so whatever location this is, we can add that. You can add the particular church or wedding hall or the garden that you are getting married in into the location. Then click on create draft and draft your event over here. Once this has been completed, you can click on publish event. And once your event is published, if you have any other events like a bachelorette party or a bridal shower or anything else that is lined up for your events, you can choose to add that over here in events and then just click on add events or add event elements. And then from here, you're going to drag and drop the event element and then you're just going to add that. And then I'm going to click on the button, click on manage event. We can manage that, but I'm going to click on settings over here. And in your Wix events, instead of register now, you can go into the text over here and we can change that to say event time, social sharing, event image, event name. Yeah, I want to edit the button. We're going to stretch this to full width and then click on manage event and then set this up as RSVP. And once completed, you can just click on save on the top right and your wedding website is now ready with Wix. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.